Madala is closing in. And Jack has stopped running. His scent is everywhere now, and it's a dead giveaway. It leads the old monarch straight to his hideout. This time, Jack has a better foothold, and after the mating session, a newfound confidence. He might be young, but he's no pushover. This could be the final showdown. But the conflict attracts the attention of a pride of lions. The presence of these apex predators puts an immediate end to this territorial dispute. No leopard stands a chance against a pride of lions. The old male knows this. He only has a few seconds to make his escape. As the more experienced of the two, Madala gets away by the skin of his teeth. Jack, trapped in the tree, makes no sound.